Hi and welcome for tuning in on this video on releasing some lower back pain. I know firsthand what it's like. I've had 3 bulge discs, so if you want to copy some of these tips, I can assure you that you will release a lot of your lower back pain and glute tightness. So obviously important that we do these daily. I always coach my clients at a minimum of 10 minutes per day. Some days you can do a little bit more, but that should be a base. But anyway, so you need yourself either a spiky ball, a tennis ball, or something similar to this. Okay, so they're very similar, but one is hard and one is a little bit softer. So the biggest thing that we need to do is release tension. So if the ball is too hard for a particular part of the body, it's really important that you substitute that for something smaller so your body can actually relax and not tense up. Okay, so here's the first one. I'm going to use the harder ball. Okay. It's the QL, which is the lower part of the back, okay, a little bit more on the side, okay, which takes a lot of stabilizing when we're doing squats, running, that sort of thing. So obviously it does tighten up. So what we do is we throw the ball in on this smaller section of the back. Okay, we basically just lay it onto it. Okay, it's tucked in here. Okay, we're basically going to rotate our knees across. Okay, and add some more weight coming down. Okay, that way we're feeling this tension right in here. Okay, and it's sinking right into the soft tissue. Okay, you want to keep your knees over the top of the ball or similar. Okay, and you're adding a lot of tension coming up through here, which then releases muscle stiffness. Okay, that's the first one. If that ball is too hard, okay, you just substitute and use a smaller one or a softer one. Okay, everyone's got a different curvature of the back, different degree of tightness, different area slightly. So we're rolling it over like that, creating that tension. I'd suggest 1 or 2 minutes in a particular spot. You can move it somewhere smaller, or somewhere different. You can use a smaller ball, okay, a harder ball, like I said, a different area of the body. 1 to 2 minutes in that area. Okay, then another great release is popping it underneath the top of your glutes. Okay, so what we want to do here, guys, is you can do this 2 ways. We can be in a seated position. Okay, so we're down here. Okay, we're just adding that load onto the side of the glutes. Okay, we're kind of sitting on it. And we're just pulling our knees across, okay, adding more weight down. Okay, there's a big band that runs right through into our lower back. Okay, big section right through the top of our glutes. Okay, the strongest point of our body. So that often gets tight in through here. So first one, try it in a seated position. You've got some support. Okay, support the feet, support the hand. Okay, you're adding weight down there. Don't be surprised if you suddenly find a tight spot. When you find that, you want to stay on that particular spot. Okay, do a good breathing technique. So you're in, out, letting your body sink into it. If you want to amplify it or you don't quite feel it in that position, you may just have to change something. Dropping down into your elbow position. Okay, same thing, same spot. Okay, we'll just change the angle, and sometimes that can have a significant increase. So that is a lot more tender in that spot for me right now. So have a go at those. We've either got the QL one, which is in the lower back of the north side of your hips. Okay, a little bit more the lower side of the hips, the south side. Okay, with this different variation from a seated position to an elbow position. Give those a go, and I'm sure you're going to be a little bit freer.